0 points. She got 0 points so far. Okay. Almost 10. That's 5 points on there.
It's an advantage. See, when you make advantages, your life becomes better. And then 0, and you'll be 60.
Well, 5 points. Yeah, she has 10. She has 10. My turn. My turn. Here. Don't leave it there.
Okay, fine. I'm leaving.
Here, take that. Take that right there. Going off the champion. This right here is the champion.
You took
My feet are
the
cold?
best. You took the best.
Yes, I did.
You took your.
5 points. Almost 10.
Uh-huh.
Going on with the man-made one. Not paper, but still plain. 10 points. Going on with the weird design right here. I don't even know what this thing is.
It's a jet, not even a plane.
I don't care. I don't care. Yeah. This is not what it's supposed to look like on the screen. I don't want this something. 10 points. So it's 10-10. Which one? No? This one's out. Get your planes. Are you still playing? Hey, which one's? This one. And then this.
Am I able to grab that one?
Oh, grab it and just put it in the disqualified section right there. Where the hose is. So it's 10-10, people. Hey, you're in the hose, not out. Okay, she's first. Wait, no, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang it.
You're first.
I'm first, people.
That looked horrible, I bet.
Probably. Move on with this bad boy.
Wait, what are we even using this for? YouTube?
I don't know, I guess.
We could make a YouTube account.
Already have one.
Yes.
If you want to know why I start like this, I don't know.
He's weird, that's why. Oh, by the way.
15
By the way.
points.
By the way.
Let me see that.
By the way.
15 points. Let's go.
I'm a girl, not a boy. I have to say that. People think I'm a boy. At the roller arena, even the girl called me a boy.
20 points.
Crash landing.
On to the champion.
Is this technically a vlog?
My guess. I don't know.
What's your YouTube account name?
I don't know.
Do they know your real name?
20 points.
I'm your cousin, though.
20 points on that board. For me. She has 2 planes.
Where's my other plane?
That one got disqualified because it was the last one. And if the plane's the last one, then that's an out. Oh, the wind took it.
What?
I'm gonna say 5 points.
That's no fair.
5 points because it passed it. If it passed,
It like passed it and the wind took it.
so if it passes that, all those scores, last one over there. Not all these things, but oh my god, 10 points.
15 points.
No, you have 15,
What?
25.
25 points.
So it's 20 to 25.
I did the flop.
No, my champion! He's out. No, my champion. Damn it. So we have 2 planes left. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Why did I do that?
You always go with like the first or second. Is that my plane?
That's mine.
That's yours. Where am I?
Yours is over there. She's gonna win. She's gonna win. Here.
Boop. 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 Oh, by the way, I'm the one into Homestuck. I'm into the anime fandoms. He's just into Pokemon.
Oh! Oh! Yeah, wait, 10 points, 30 points, yes! Let's go!
You're a big fat opie.
360 no scope always wins.
And I can speak Japanese. And I have Arid and hipster emoji from.
Come on!
You suck.
If it doesn't go past the start line, then
You suck.
maybe you do that.
You